Today I'm making earrings with real henna and real flowers from my garden. I have some pink cherry blossoms today and some real henna powder. Henna powder is made from the crushed up leaves from the henna plant, which is a really beautiful bush with like white flowers. So I'm just gonna put this powder into a bottle, kind of like squeeze it in there, and then I'm going to mix it with some UV resin. UV resin cures in light, so I'm just putting some black duct tape over it to make sure that it doesn't cure in the bottle and I have time to get it onto my project. This bottle's really great with its needle tip. So now I'm adding some UV resin, just enough for the project, and I'm mixing it together so it gets all that nice natural green color in there. I'm putting my little pink cherry blossoms onto the surface to work with. And yeah, I'm just gonna draw some mandala designs with the henna UV resin. I've actually worked as a Mendi artist for over 10 years, and I've done countless weddings for brides and their families. But it was a little different using the henna mixed with the UV resin. It's a lot thinner, but also hard to squeeze out of the bottle because it's sticky. So it's different than henna, but fun to try. And now I'm just putting a top coat of the nice clear resin to make it all one solid piece. And yeah, cure it with the lamp. And here we have my final product, a nice little mandala with a cherry blossom inside. A good first attempt. I've never tried this before, so I think it's kind of cool. Nice natural green color. What should I make next? Tell me in the comments.